What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to create a video slider from YouTube into your WordPress website. So imagine that you would like to create a video playlist or a video slider directly on your WordPress website, selecting only the videos that you want in a simple, fast, effective and free method. This is what I'm gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because you bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics and choose internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over plugins. Once you hover your mouse over it, from the left sidebar of menus, click on the submenu Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to Keyword, you're gonna be able to see a field called Search Plugins. Right here, we're gonna type Video Slider, just like this. Scroll down, and this is the guide that we're looking for: Video Slider, Video Carousel, by Slide by Rich Web. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, but review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again. You're gonna be able to see a new heading next to Settings, called Video Slider. Click on it and hover your mouse over it and click on Video Manager. Yours is gonna be just like this. Let me remove it. Yours is gonna be just like this, and click into this blue button called New Slider. Now you're gonna need to enter a title to this slider. In my case, it's gonna be Test. We have a couple of slider types. We're gonna explore this later, but now let's add a video. First video gonna be called Guide, and I'm gonna click into this button right here to add a video. Now review the left sidebar of menus and click on Insert from URL. Now go to your YouTube channel or to YouTube channel that you would prefer to get a video from, and copy the video URL, this link, into your browser tab, okay? Go back to WordPress, enter with the link right here, wait while video loads, confirm that is the video that you want to add, and click into the bottom right corner blue button called Insert to Post. Here is my video. You can enter a description for this video. For example, this is a good video. You can customize this description as well, okay? You can apply a website link in the case that you prefer as well. Up to you. After this, very important, click into this Save button. Video has been added, okay? Now we're gonna repeat the process, getting another video URL from YouTube to add a second video to our slider. The video title gonna be Guide number 2, add video, insert from URL, enter with the new video URL, other nice guide. Click on Save. So we have 2 videos on our slider show, and let's add the third one. Once again, go to YouTube, copy the URL, guide number 3, click on Add Video, place the URL, insert to Post, final guide on this list. Click on Save. Now we're gonna hit the Save button into the upper right corner of our screen, just to make sure that everything has been saved. Let's go to the Edit. We're gonna click into this Edit little head pencil icon and copy this short code right here, okay? Review the right sidebar of our screen. Next we have the short code to be copied. Now we're gonna move to Page. We can add a new page or apply this into a previously made page. It's up to you, okay? I'm gonna place the short code right here. Simply copy and paste. Now let's review the results we got. I'm gonna publish the page. And here is our slider. This is a good video. Let's move to the next one. And the next one. So we have videos, sliders that you can play and click to play with, okay? But what else we can do? Let's explore a little bit more. First thing, we can change the slider type, okay? We have the content, but let's try the thumbnail. Update. Let's review the results we got. And here is the thumbnail slider. You can see the thumbs of the videos. Very effective as well. Of course, we can enter with the image manually, okay, to avoid this issue right here, okay? I just gonna be using the video thumbs to make it faster for you. But if it's your case, please enter the image right here by adding the image while adding the video. Let's explore the video carousel, the pop-up. Here is the results we got. Looks fine. Video slide, vertical thumbnail. Looks like this one is bugged. I'm gonna see why later, but let's move to the next one. Maybe because the amount of videos. Horizontal. Fancy. Quite fancy. Rich slider. Looks good. A very good way. I just should be removed this description right here. It's not nice. And let's try the final one, the timeline. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Okay. Let's go back to the first one and save the changes. Now let's explore how to customize this, okay? Next to the slider manager, there is a button called slider options. Click on it. And now click to free tab and choose the style, the type that you're choosing, okay? In my case, it's the content slider. So I would like to edit. I'm gonna click into this green icon. There is editing options that is only for the pro users, but there is others that you can fully customize. For example, background color. Let's choose a transparent background color, for example. Loader show, loader color, text color. We have a couple of options to play with right here. After doing your change, you can click into the update button, okay? To save the change you made. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Use Element or Gutenberg or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Our Sites.gallery, that is a gallery of CSS designs awards that you can submit your site, your app, your game to be promoted and awarded, okay? And finally, the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. In the case that you want to go premium, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to your entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, icons, templates, plugins, themes, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.